So today we are going to learn how to make some potato wedges. We're going to be using the microwave and the oven and practicing some of our key knife skills. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you get your oven on nice and hot, so it's 210 degrees or gas mark 6, and then we're going to cut our potato into wedges. Now what's really important is that the wedges are all, as much as possible, the same size. So we're going to start by using our bridge grip in the middle and cut it down in half, and then surface down, and again we're just going to continue this until we get our wedges. Now what you need to make sure is that you always cut on a flat surface, never on the wobble. Alright, so flat surface, bridge again in half, and then in half again. And this is the size of wedges that we're looking for. So you're going to cut up all your potatoes and then pop them straight into a glass bowl. Okay, so all my wedges have been chopped to roughly the same size, and what we need to do now is something called par cook. So you can do this in two ways. You can pop it in some hot salted water and cook them off in a pan for about 5 to 6 minutes, or what we're going to do today is just use the microwave, and the microwave uses a heat source called radiation, and this is just going to cook the potatoes, because what we want our wedges to be is soft in the middle but crispy on the outside. So in the microwave there is just my potato wedges in here at the moment, there's nothing else, and we're going to cook that for 5 minutes. Now when you take it out of the microwave, please use your oven gloves because this bowl will be quite hot. So after 5 minutes in the microwave, it won't look that much different, maybe a little bit wrinkly, and then what we're going to add to that is your oil. So the oil's going to help them go really crispy. It's going to help to fry the foods in the oven. And then you're going to add some seasonings if you want to, so up to 2 teaspoons of different seasonings. So we'll have some garlic salt, some paprika, some mixed herbs, salt and pepper. So I'm just going to go in with 1 teaspoon of paprika, which is going to give it a nice smoky flavour, and a little bit of salt. I can always add more salt when I'm finished cooking. And then with a tablespoon, we're just going to give that a good mix so that it's all coated in there. And then onto your baking tray, you don't need to grease it because we've got the oil already in here. Add your wedges, and what's really important is you get all that oil out and that you spread them on the tray so that they're not overlapping. Alright, if they're overlapping they'll become soggy rather than nice and crisp. And then oven gloves, and these are going to go into the oven for about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes we're going to bring them out and put your cheese on top and cook for a further 5 minutes. If you haven't got cheese, that's absolutely fine, just cook them straight off for 15 minutes, and then I'll bring you back and show you what they look like. So the wedges have been in the oven now for 10 minutes. You can see they've gone lovely and golden brown. We're just going to move these around just to make sure that they cook evenly, and then we're going to add our cheese. So using the fish slice, just carefully lift them up, move them, turn them over so they get nice and crispy. They will become more crispy on the side that's closer to the tray because the metal's going to heat them up a little bit higher. And then if you push them together a little bit, and then add your grated cheese on the top, like so. Okay. And then again, we're just going to pop them back in the oven now for 5 minutes just for the grated cheese to melt. So 5 minutes has passed, and you can see the cheese is all melted onto your potato wedges. Please be careful, this tray is still going to be really hot, so use an oven glove and your fish slice again, and just gently lift those up, and then you're going to transfer this to your container. Okay, and then we're going to get these trays nice and clean and put back, and that is your potato wedges finished.